Now let's jump into a review of the product.
Today I'm going to show you these pants. They are obviously shorts. It's Rahhint running. You have a zipper here, which is quite big. You can fit in a complete seat, and the zipper it's good quality. Then the logo it's reflective. This logo here is also reflective. Then it has these plastic bags, and on the other side it has this black one as well. Then the pattern of the short is different. Here is like it's dotted, and here is completely smooth, and here again it's again like in here dotted. As you can see, it has a strong fit here, and this is more flexible. Let's take a look inside. So this is the chamois, and you have a very good pad here. It's quite padded in this area. It's about this thick, and in here there's also quite a lot of pad, as well a little bit thinner. And then here, this is just protection. It's very thin, all this area around. So it's very supportive, very good for your rides, and very comfortable when you are wearing them on. And they fit really well as well. So far I'm very happy with the quality of these shorts, and I would recommend them definitely. So give them a try because they are really